Good day viewers, and you are welcome. We have these nice functional equations. F of x plus 4 over x equals x plus 1 over x. There is a particular hiding pattern in this. The question is, what is f of 4? Let's pause this video, give it a try, and drop the answer in the comment box. Let's solve this step by step. For x plus 4 divided by x, we are going to let it equals 4. And the new function becomes f of 4 equals x plus 1 over x. Then we have to target on how to get the value of x. Then we substitute. We solve this one by finding the LCM, which is x. So x multiplied by x gives us x squared plus 4 divided by x equals 4. Let's try to multiply by x here. We have x squared plus 4 equals 4x. Then we take this 4x to this side, as we have x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. Then this is a quadratic equation. We solve this one by looking for the value of x. This is sum, this is product. We need two numbers that the sum will be minus 4 and the product will be 4. Considering minus 2 and minus 2. Minus 2 gives us minus 4. And if we multiply it together as well, it gives us 4. Therefore, we are going to replace this with x minus 2x minus 2x plus 4 equals 0. And then we have x squared minus 2 common. We are going to factor this, and also we have 2x minus 4 also in bracket. What we have here common is x. Take it out, and this gives us x minus 2. Minus 2 is common here. Take it out, we have this as x minus 2 equals 0. So with this, we have x minus 2 and also x minus 2 equals to 0. This doubles. It means we are going to have x equals to 2 twice. But in the process of solving this problem, we are going to take only x equals 2, because if we substitute the first one and the second one, it gives us the same answer. Therefore, our x here equals 2. So since the value of x equals to 2, we are going to take back the substitution into this. Anywhere we see x, we replace it with 2. And here gives us f of 4 equals 2 plus 1 over 2. So looking at the LCM, we have 5 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2, that gives us 4 plus 1 over 2. And 4 plus 1 over 2 gives us 5 over 2. So the value of f of 4 here is equals to 5 divided by 2, or we simply write it as 2.5. This is how to solve this problem. Is there any other method you can use for this? Let's drop the answer in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.